Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to do a bloom today, but I'm going to do something a little bit different. You know how normally I do the bloom and then you blow the colour to the outside and then you spin so that you get the colour all the way to the outside? Well, I was thinking, what happens if you don't do that? What happens if you leave some white negative space around the outside and then just have the bloom in the middle and then maybe like pull bits of it through with the stick? So I'm going to try that today just to see what happens. I've got my colours standing upside down because I don't have a lot left in the little bottles. But I thought I'd do sort of a light pink and a dark pink. These are all Jo Sonjas colours. I've got a lime and a turquoise and a purple. And then my white cell activator is 2 to 1. 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part Amsterdam white. Give it a good shake. Haven't used them for a little while, so they all need a bit of a shake. And there's not much left in some of these. So, oh, the pink's full. Right, let me get my gloves on. Actually, let me turn the air conditioner on. It's not exactly a hot day today, but it's really humid. We've had 5 days of rain so far, and it's really just muggy. All right, so I've covered, this is a pre-used canvas. I've covered it with white, just so you can't see what's underneath it. It was just a ring pour, I think. Now I'm going to put a little puddle in the middle. This is my pillow. This is just white interior house paint. Nothing special about that. I've got my blower here, which used to be a hair brush. It had a brush on the end and I just broke it off and I put a medicine cup on top just so that I could aim the wind into a specific area. Okay, so let's get started with the colours. And I don't want very much because, as I said, I want to just blow a little bit. And then have some negative space. If some goes over the corner, that's okay, but I would like to have some negative space. So we'll see what it looks like. I'm not exactly sure how much paint I need. Let's put some green down. And a little bit of, actually the turquoise won't go very nicely with the lime. Well, let's do a little bit more of that. I haven't done the dark one yet. I can't put the dark one down next to the dark purple though, can I? How about that? How's that? Alright, that seems to be okay. And our cell activator on top. Like so, not too much. Straight down with the wind and then out. Okay, we'll give that a minute just to all come back into the center. I might have put too much white in. See how it's got a lot of white in the middle? But in saying that, it might look really nice having the white in the middle and then the white on the outside. So I've seen a lot of people, when they put the cell activator on with their blower, they just blow to the side. You need to blow down and then turn. Down and turn. That way you get your mix of colours. If you just go over the top, you're just going to basically blow the white over the top of your colour. Okay, so I lost a little bit of footage just when I spun. I've only spun once. And as I said, I don't want to spin the colour off the edges. Initially I thought of using a stick to drag the colour, but I think that might be a little bit boring. So I've got this comb. It did have a handle and I just snapped it off. But I think those would look quite nice just to kind of make a little bit of a design. So I'm going to do it. I'm going to leave the center as it is because I really like those that lacing, those cells or whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to sort of go around and do something with these sides here because they're quite blocky colours. There's no lacing in them, so I think that might be nice. Hey, let's start here and just do that. Now I guess the only issue is I've got colour underneath my canvas, so I might, because it's a used canvas, I think what I'll need to do is not drag so deep, just lightly, like so. That's just the colour being dragged off. And then I can go around here. Like so. So you get the general idea. I'm just trying to use up those block colours there. And go off and just make something a little bit interesting. I don't know. Just why not? Just to see what happens, really. You don't have to go all the way off the canvas either. You can, you know, these ones here just stop there. Look, that looks really pretty just there, just stops. So you don't have to go right off. Although now I'm going to try, I'll try not to disrupt those ones. Because they look really pretty. Just like that. Oh yeah, I like that. Look, I like how that's not gone all the way off. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Is it just, eh, don't know. I don't know why my camera cuts out all of a sudden. It might have something to do with memory, you know, if it's getting full. I try and delete all my videos, you know, after a couple of days. I go into my recycled bin and empty all my videos and photos that I don't want anymore, just to keep the memory as much as possible. But I don't know, it still seems to want more. I've got one of those you know, those external memory cards in my phone. So sorry, I don't know. I'll have to go back to checking it every couple of minutes. Is it pain? Sometimes I do, and then sometimes I just get carried away and forget to do it. Now I'm thinking, I like it. I just think it's needs to come. No, see, I think if I try and blur it anymore, it might it might look a bit too messy. I think, like if I go over it again. And I don't really want to take any from in here because, you know, that's my bloom. Don't want to disrupt it. So I think I'll leave it right there. And let me know what you think. I'll give it a quick torch. Hopefully we're still videoing. Oh my gosh. Alright, put you away. You're very naughty lately, big boy. He's been very naughty lately. It's because he's not coming out to play very much anymore. Because, you know, I'm doing more resin, so he doesn't get to play very much. So anyway, let me know what you think of this. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Shall I just spin it out and cover the edges? I won't on this one because I'd like to know what you guys think. I'll just turn that ring light off and take you down. I would like to know what you think, if you like this sort of look. And, you know, just trying to be a little bit more creative here, doing something a little bit different, rather than spinning out to the edges, because I always do that. I always spin them out to the edges. But let me know in the comments below what you think, if you like it, if you want to see more of these, or whether you think I should just spin them out to the edges. Ooh, look at that. Look at the pink and the turquoise together, hey? That's really pretty. All right, let's have a look at the middle. The bloom. Da bloom. Da bomb. Got some really pretty lacing happening there. And I like that it's got a little bit of white in the center, although it looks kind of cream through my screen. It's white. I like how that's there, and then it kind of matches the white on the outside. So there you go. I really like it. I don't know if I like it as much as I like a regular bloom, but hey, I just wanted to try it and see what it looked like. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys. Love you all. Stay safe. I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.